Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Try to Learn. In this video, we will learn and write name of all the districts of the state Jharkhand. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, and for more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel Try to Learn. Jharkhand is a state in eastern India. The state shares its border with the states of West Bengal to the east, Chhattisgarh to the west, Uttar Pradesh to the northwest, Bihar to the north, and Odisha to the south. Currently, it has a total of 24 districts. Let's start learning the name of each district one by one. First one is Bokaro. Next district of Jharkhand is Chatra. Next is Devghar. Next district is Dhanbad. Next is Dumka. Next district is East Singhbhum. Next is Garhwa. Next district of Jharkhand in our list is Giridih. Next is Godda. Next district is Gumla. Next is Hazaribagh. Next district is Jamtara. Next is Khunti. Next district is Kodrama. Next is Latehar. Next district is Lohardaga. Next district is Pakur. Next district Palamu. Next is Ramgarh. Next district is Ranchi. Next is Sahibganj. Next district is Saraikela Kharsawa. Next district is Simdega. Next is West Singhbhum.